Hello everyone, I'm Gus from Global Satellite. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the GPS feature of your satellite phone Iridium Extreme to get your exact position and share to others. Stay tuned. First, we need to get your GPS function on. All the Iridium Extremes come with this function off as a factory default. Press Menu, Setup, Location Options, GPS Option, GPS On, Off, and select Enable. In order to get GPS location, press Menu, Setup, Location Options, Current Location. Now we get the coordinates, altitude, and how many satellites are connected. Once you get the location, press Share, New Message. You will see on the screen the same information and a link to a map. Press Option, Send. It's going to show your contacts or new recipient. If you chose new recipient, enter the number, country code, area, and the rest of the phone number. Your contact will receive a text message with the coordinates and the link to the Iridium map, showing your exact location. So that's how you can obtain your exact GPS location and be able to share with others. For more info, visit our website globalsatellite.us.